Let's break down the pronunciation of the term polar bear slowly. Polar bear, pronounced as polar bar. The po sounds like po in polar. The lure sounds like lure in blur. The bear sounds like bear in barefoot. For the po sound, open your mouth slightly and produce a clear P sound. For the lure sound, produce a clear L sound followed by ur. Finish with the bear sound, which combines the B sound of voiced bilabial plosive with the air sound, a diphthong formed by transitioning from A to A. Imagine a teacher demonstrating the pronunciation. Teacher, let's start with the po sound. Open your mouth slightly and produce a clear P. Practice the po sound. Now the lure sound, clear L followed by Practice the lure sound. Teacher, good. Now the bear sound. Combine the B sound with the air diphthong, polar bear. Practice the bear sound. Now, let's put it all together, polar bear. Practice the full term. Now, let's say it together, polar bear. Now let's use it in a sentence. The polar bear is a large, carnivorous mammal native to the Arctic region. Polar bears are well adapted to their icy environment and are excellent swimmers.